Oh, here we're looking at Caterpillar here. This is another one, and it's just had a tough time since our entry on this. It's down almost 2%, down a point and a half, down to 90 and 90 and a half. And this is, I mean, 91 and a half. And this is one that is testing the prior swing low, but very likely could continue to drive lower. I know that there could be some support at this 90 to or 89 to 90 level. But I still think we drive lower with this and continue to do so. We're getting close to where we'll see some little counter move because I do think it's had a very good dramatic drop, but I think it's still very vulnerable to some continued action here. You could see what I mean here on the longer term, on the weekly, that it's failed on the pivot several times here, and then you see the last one where it just really wasn't able to really kind of go much higher here, and now we're seeing significant divergence from the last swing high, and now we're starting to see momentum really step in pretty significantly. So, and now we're back under some of these moving averages. So, this could really come into this 81 level, and if it breaks that, that would be very dramatic. So, it might be worthwhile to see if it can kind of hold there, but very likely you'd see the bounce. You could lose a little bit of that initial profit. So, it might make sense as it starts to move in there, maybe take two trades as opposed to one, and just hold it. It depends on people. People have a different, some different viewpoints. I like to cover into some of those positions because you can always reshort the position again. It's only a commission, and then you lock it in. And if it rallies, then you've at least locked your profit in, and then you can try to reshort if it makes sense. So anyway, that's kind of the game plan with Cat.